Hello everyone. So these are the Svaar men's lightweight classic clogs that I have bought from Amazon. As you can see, the Amazon bills and receipts are pasted on the back side of the Amazon packaging. So I'm going to unbox this by cutting all these staples. First we need to cut the staples and remove it, then only we can unbox the cover Amazon packaging. So these are basically clogs or sandals that can be used for regular purpose, and I bought this for rupees 499 on Amazon. That was an offer price. Its actual price is almost rupees 699 or 700 rupees. So I'm taking these clogs out. So it's basically looking very good, looks like a brand new Crocs sandals. So I'm going to take these cardboards from the inside of these sandals. So this is basically good. The Svaar is a brand new company. So let me try it out. This is of size 7. So I want to try it out and see if it fits with my foot. Okay, let me try it out. Wow, it's nice. It feels good. It's comfortable. It also looks really good. It's like wearing a brand new Clogs or a brand new shoe. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.